Welcome back to the National Real Estate Law Group's discussion on scams relating to foreclosures and short sales. The next and perhaps most important area are the so-called short sale negotiators. Oftentimes they are former realtors that are out of work, loan officers that have not been doing so well, despite the fact that interest rates are at all-time lows. So what they do is they tell innocent folks through the internet or by other means that they'll negotiate on behalf of the seller that's underwater. They've got no formal training. They're not licensed. They're certainly not lawyers. If they are, they're disbarred lawyers, which they're, believe it or not, a few of those have been caught doing this. And the key to recognizing a scam artist in the short sale environment is when they want to take a fee up front. Anytime you hear of someone that wants to take a considerable, any amount of money, $500, $1,000, $2,000, I've seen scams as high as $7,000 to $8,000 paid by folks. Hard-earned money that they've been saving, going right into the pockets of thieves. And as soon as enough money is collected by the scam artists, they're gone. You can't find them. There's no phone number, no following address. So anytime you find that indicator, it's really an extremely bad sign. The next thing you'll note is you want to demand a full, I've said this many times, 60-year full title search on the property. You want to make sure that whoever says they're the owner of the property and that there's been no liens attached to your property that you're not aware of, that they do a thorough search on your property to make sure that the IRS has not visited you without you knowing. You'd be astounded at the number of times the IRS is moved in. It sort of goes hand in hand with folks that haven't been able to pay their mortgages, unfortunately. The IRS, as we all know, is going to be paid even in a bankruptcy scenario, and you may not even be aware that they've placed a lien on your property. That's particularly true if you've moved away and you've not checked your mail. Other scams are anytime a quote-unquote investor approaches you directly and says that they can solve your problems by buying your house today and taking over your payments. It's a very complex legal arrangement. It's known by various nefarious titles such as contract for deed, etc. So anytime a good faith investor comes in and has a big wad of paperwork for you, don't sign it. Make sure you obtain counsel from a local real estate lawyer. You can always call us. My 800 number will also be appearing at the bottom of the screen frequently. The best way, though, is through my website, but you can also call my 800 number. Thank you very much, and I look forward to our next vignette. Thank you.